my channel. This is Code Fleet and I'm Vinay. Today we're going to be talking about a new topic, that is a shape and reshape in NumPy. So let's not waste any time and let's dive right into it. So we have shape and reshape. So first we will talk about shape. What is a shape in NumPy array? But as you know, let me define it in a simple way. A shape is just the number of rows and number of columns. So let's see in a practical. So let's create a NumPy array that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and okay, let's print it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make it two-dimensional here. And okay, I made the same mistake before too. NumPy as NP. I get so excited about this. So arr dot shape, that's how we use this dot shape, by using dot operator and use the shape keyword. So it's going to return us 2, 5. So why we have 2, 5 here? Let me print it, then you will understand it better. Okay, so it shows us this is number of rows and this is number of columns. Always remember in an array like this, if you see any tuple like this, always remember that the first one is the number of rows and the second one is the number of columns. So we have a number of rows here is 1 and 2, and if we talk about number of columns, as you can see, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, and 5 column. So that shows you the shape of an array, that is 2, 5, and or you can say number of rows to the number of columns. So that's how you see the shape. So let's talk about the shape is just this simple topic. You just, what you do is you find out the shape of an array. So let's talk about the reshape now, how you can reshape any array. So let's create a new array, that is np.array, and let's make it from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, let's make it to 14. Okay, we have a new array here that is from 1 to 14, and let's print it. Okay, it's a one-dimensional array. So how can we reshape it to the two-dimensional array? So let's do this. So arr.reshape is same as the shape. So what you're going to do now is, as you can see, we have to put the shape here and then order C. You don't worry about this order C, you just focus on this shape here. So let's give it a shape. Always give the shape inside the parentheses, otherwise you will really be confused. So what should we do to make it a 2D array? We'll have to provide a number of rows and number of columns. So how many number of rows and how many number of columns can you provide so that it covers all those 14 elements. If you don't cover all those 14 elements, it's going to show you an error. Don't worry about that, I'll show you how it works now. So 7 to 14 to 7. Okay, let's make it 2 and 7. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so we converted it into a two-dimensional array, and if you want to see, I can show you this. Let's print it here, and arr2.ndim. Okay, so as we can see, we converted the one-dimensional array to the two-dimensional array. But let's say that you do not cover all those 14 elements. What it's going to do is going to throw an error, cannot reshape array of size 14 into a shape 2, 6, because you will have to cover all those elements on all those number of elements. So that's how we reshape from one-dimensional array to two-dimensional array. But let's see, can you convert one-dimensional array to the three-dimensional array? Yes, you can do that. So let's try it. So what you can do, dot reshape. So okay, we have 14 here. So okay, how can we do that? No, we can't do that. Let's make it to 12. It's gonna be a problem in 14. Okay, how to more? You will have to first provide. Let's see. Okay, you just return shape here, but let me see if I can tell you. Okay, it does not have that much documentation. what you will have to do is, first you will have to provide outermost arrays, because it's a three-dimensional array. You will have to first provide the outermost arrays, then the inner arrays, and then the elements. So let's, okay, 12, 2, 3, yes, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 2, 6, and 6, 12. Okay, okay, we did it. So we have two outermost array. Okay, this one first and this one is second. 3 rows, first, second, and third, and 2 elements. Okay, 2 columns. We have 2 columns here in each of them. So that's how you can reshape from 1-dimensional to 3-dimensional array. So let's comment it from 1D to 3D array. Okay, so it's just the basic thing here, to convert the 1D to 2D or 1D to 3D. So that includes everything here. It's just a simple topic, shape and reshape. But it's sometimes, like if you do something like image processing, or something so simple like cat and dog classification, where you will that's where you will realize when you will have to reshape the image, and that's where you will find something new. I'm not telling you right now because it will just ruin the mood. I want you to find out at that time when you will use that. Don't worry about that. I'll be also creating a playlist on machine learning and deep learning, so I'll tell you there. So that concludes everything here. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.